Hi, welcome to all those cereal eaters out there and people that remember the free gifts and toys and send away items from breakfast. So, what's in the box this week? Well, it's from 2001, Kellogg's Rice Krispies, and it's a Snap, Crackle and Pop fun recipe book. Let's take a look. So on the back of the packet you'll see details of the actual offer. This was to send away, you had to send off 6 tokens, this box had 3. And then once you'd sent that away, you received this booklet here. So it's got a Velcro tab on the top, featuring Snap, Crackle and Pop, cooking things like chocolate Krispies, crispy mallow fingers, chocolate top biscuits, party ice cream, and summer chocolate cake. So lots of chocolate in there. Anyway, if you want to see more about this offer, including see the recipes and make them yourself, then go to my website, cerealoffers.com, select Kellogg's, then Rice Krispies, and then you'll see this along with lots of other offers as well. Hope you enjoy.